Welcome to my channel Study Engine. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more study videos.
Today we will discuss important geography questions for all type of competitive exams. Let's begin. Question number 1. Seismic sea waves which approach the coast at greater force are known as option A tides, B tsunami, C current, D cyclone. And the answer is option B tsunami. Question number 2. The land of maximum biodiversity is option A tropical, B temperate, C monsoonal, D equatorial. And the answer is option A tropical. Question number 3. Indian Standard Time relates to, and the answer is option B 82.5 degree east longitude. Question number 4. Which is the second nearest star to the earth after sun? Option A Vega, B Sirius, option C Proxima Centauri, option D Alpha Centauri. And the answer is option C Proxima Centauri. Question number 5. The forest in Sundarban is called option A scrub jungle, option B mangrove, option C deciduous forest, option D tundra. And the answer is option B mangrove. Question number 6. Which of the following Indonesian regions was a victim of the massive earthquake in 2004? Option A Irian Jaya, option B Sumatra, option C Kalimantan, option D Java. And the answer is option B Sumatra. Question number 7. The first non-stop air-conditioned Duronto train was flagged off between option A Silda, New Delhi, option B Mumbai, Howrah, option C Bangalore, Howrah, option D Chennai, New Delhi. And the answer is option A Silda, New Delhi. Question number 8. Which one of the following states does not form a part of Narmada River basin? Option A Madhya Pradesh, B Rajasthan, C Gujarat, D Maharashtra. And the answer is option B Rajasthan. Question number 9. Soil erosion on hill slopes can be checked by option A afforestation, option B terrace cultivation, option C strip cropping, option D contour plucking. And the answer is option B terrace cultivation. Question number 10. Who coined the word geography? Option A Ptolemy, option B Eratosthenes, option C Hakatos, option D Herodotus. And the answer is option B Eratosthenes. Question number 11. Which of the following is called the ecological hotspot of India? Option A Western Ghats, option B Eastern Ghats, option C Western Himalayas, option D Eastern Himalayas. And the answer is option A Western Ghats. Question number 12. The age of the earth can be determined by option A Geological Time Scale, option B radiometric dating, option C gravity method, option D fossilization method. And the answer is option B radiometric dating. Question number 13. How much of the earth's land surface is desert? Option A 1/10, option B 1/5, option C 1/3, option D 1/6. And the answer is option C 1/3. Question number 14. River Indus originates from option A Hindu Kush range, option B Himalayan range, option C Karakoram range, option D Kailash range. And the answer is option D Kailash range. Question number 15. The lowest layer of the atmosphere is option A stratosphere, option B thermosphere, option C troposphere, option D mesosphere. And the answer is option C troposphere. Question number 16. The Konkan Railway connects option A Goa Mangalore, option B Roha Mangalore, option C Kanyakumari Mangalore, option D Kanyakumari Mumbai. And the answer is option B Roha Mangalore. Question number 17. Bark of this tree is used as a condiment. Option A cinnamon, option B clove, option C neem, option D palm. And the answer is option A cinnamon. Question number 18. The atmospheric air is held to the earth by option A gravity, B winds, C clouds, D rotation of the earth. And the answer is option A gravity. Question number 19. The common tree species in Nilgiri Hills is option A sal, B pine, C eucalyptus, option D teak. And the answer is option C, eucalyptus. Question number 20. Which is the largest living bird on earth? Option A, emu. Option B, ostrich. Option C, albatross. Option D, Siberian crane. And the answer is option B, ostrich. Question number 21. Sirhind Dam project provides irrigation to option A, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Option B, Odisha and West Bengal. Option C, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Option D, Kerala and Karnataka. And the answer is option C, Odisha and West Bengal. Question number 22. Which is the longest irrigation canal in India? Option A, Sirhind Canal. Option B, Yamuna Canal. Option C, Indira Gandhi Canal. Option D, East Kosi Canal. And the answer is option C, Indira Gandhi Canal. Question number 23. Loktak is a option A, valley. Option B, lake. Option C, river. Option D, mountain range. And the answer is option B, lake. Question number 24. Which city receives the highest cosmic radiation amongst the following? Option A, Chennai. B, Mumbai. C, Kolkata. D, Delhi. And the answer is option A, Chennai. Question number 25. The HIV program in India is also called as option A, traditional agriculture. Option B, new agricultural strategy. Option C, white revolution. Option D, blue revolution. And the answer is option B, new agricultural strategy. Question number 26. Railway coaches are manufactured at option A, Jamshedpur. Option B, Chittaranjan. Option C, Perambur. Option D, Varanasi. And the answer is option C, Perambur. Question number 27. A series of lines connecting places having a quake at the same time are called option A, homosesmal lines. Question number 28. What would be the impact of global warming on mangrove forest? Option A, they will grow more luxurious. Option B, large areas of mangroves will be submerged. Option C, their role as a carbon sinks will become more important. Option D, both A and C. And the answer is option D, both A and C. Question number 29. The brightest planet is option A, Venus. B, Mercury. C, Jupiter. D, Mars. And the answer is option A, Venus. Question number 30. Wheat, barley, lemon, orange, rye and pearl millet belong to option A, the same plant family. Option B, 2 plant families. Option C, 3 plant families. Option D, 4 plant families. And the answer is option B, 2 plant families. Question number 31. A plant known only in cultivation having arisen under domestication is referred to as option A, scion. Option B, cultigen. Option C, cultivar. Option D, clone. And the answer is option B, cultigen. Question number 32. The iron and steel plant in Bihar is at option A, Visakhapatnam. Option B, Bokaro. Option C, Banpur. Option D, Vijayanagar. And the answer is option B, Bokaro. Question number 33. The state which has registered the highest population growth rate according to 2001 census is option A, Kerala. Option B, Uttar Pradesh. Option C, Nagaland. Option D, Sikkim. And the answer is option C, Nagaland. Question number 34. Earth is a very big magnet. In which direction does its magnetic field extend? And the answer is option B, north through south. Question number 35. The most densely populated state in India is option A, Kerala. B, Uttar Pradesh. C, West Bengal. D, Tamil Nadu. And the answer is option C, West Bengal. Question number 36. The biggest planet in the solar system is option A, Venus. B, Jupiter. C, Saturn. D, Uranus. And the answer is option B, Jupiter. Question number 37. Peninsular India has the following zonal soil types. Option A, red and yellow soil. Option B, forest soil. Option C, saline soil. Option D, alluvial soil. And the answer is option A, red and yellow soil. Question number 38. The land between two rivers is called option A, natural leaves. Option B, alluvial cones. Option C, braided stream. Option D, dwarf. And the answer is option D, dwarf. Question number 39. Which year is called as the demographic divide? Option A 1941, option B 1921, option C 1901, option D 1931. And the answer is option B 1921. Question number 40. Which country has the highest density of population? Option A Macau, option B Canada, option C Sweden, option D Greenland. And the answer is option A Macau. Question number 41. The iron and steel plant in Chhattisgarh is at option A Banapur, option B Salem, option C Bhilai, option D Bokaro. And the answer is option C Bhilai. Question number 42. The leading sesame producing country in the world is option A Mexico, B USA, C China, option D Tanzania. And the answer is option D Tanzania. Question number 43. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Option A Darjeeling, West Bengal, option B Mount Abu, Rajasthan, option C Kodaikanal, Tamil Nadu, option D Simla, Uttar Pradesh. And the answer is option D Simla, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 44. The earth is at its maximum distance from the sun on option A January 30th, option B December 22nd, option C September 22nd, option D July 4th. And the answer is option D 4th July. Question number 45. Consider the following pairs: tributary and main river. Chambal, Yamuna, Son, Narmada, Manas, Brahmaputra. Which one of the following pair given is correctly matched? And the answer is option A 1, 2 and 3. Question number 46. The total population divided by available arable land area is referred to as option A population density, option B nutritional density, option C agricultural density, option D industrial density. And the answer is option A population density. Question number 47. The eastward continuation of the Brazil Current is called, and the answer is option B South Atlantic Drift. Question number 48. Ice glaciers melting is a common phenomenon linked to the rise in a seawater level. The glaciers are predominantly present in option A Greenland, B Antarctica, C Himalayas, D Arctic. And the answer is option B Antarctica. Question number 49. Which hill station is called as the Queen of the Satpuras? Option A Pachmarahi, option B Nilgiri, option C Mahendragiri, option D Cardamom. And the answer is option A Pachmarahi. Question number 50. Which national highway connects Delhi and Kolkata via Mathura and Varanasi? Option A NH4, option B NH2, option C NH10, option D NH6. And the answer is option B NH2. Question number 51. The country where drip irrigation is more efficiently used is option A India, B Israel, C Sri Lanka, D England. And the answer is option B Israel. Question number 52. Which river in India flows in a rift valley? Option A Narmada, B Krishna, C Kaveri, D Tapti. And the answer is option A Narmada. Question number 53. A narrow strip of land that connects two larger land masses is called option A Cape, option B Isthmus, option C Strait, option D Peninsular. And the answer is option B Isthmus. Question number 54. Maps on large scale representing both natural and man-made features are called option A thematic maps, option B atlas maps, option C wall maps, option D topographic maps. And the answer is option D topographic maps. Question number 55. The angle between the magnetic meridian and the geographical meridian at a place is option A declination, option B latitude, option C azimuth, option D dip. And the answer is option A declination. Question number 56. An irrigation project is categorized as a major project if it covers a cultivable command area of, and the answer is option C above 10,000 hectares. Question number 57. The program of Operation Flood was concentrated on option A increasing irrigation facilities, option B flood control, option C increasing the milk production, option D increase the flood grains production. And the answer is option C increasing the milk production. Question number 58. According to Farrell's law, winds change their direction, and the answer is option B towards right in northern hemisphere and towards left in south hemisphere. Question number 59. Which one of the following atmospheric layers absorb ultraviolet rays of the sun? Option A, troposphere. Option B, stratosphere. Option C, ionosphere. Option D, ozonosphere. And the answer is option D, ozonosphere. Question number 60. The drainage pattern developed on folded sedimentary rock is termed as, and the answer is option B, dendritic. Question number 61. Which one of the following is not a line of demarcation between two countries? And the answer is option C, Plimsoll line. Question number 62. Water potential remains lowest in, and the answer is option D, halophytes. Question number 63. The free living bacterium in the soil which increases the yield of rice is, and the answer is option B, azotobacter. Question number 64. Frontal cyclones occur characteristically in option A, equatorial region, option B, tropical region, option C, mid-latitudinal region, option D, polar region. And the answer is option C, mid-latitudinal region. Question number 65. Yosemite is a option A, river, option B, peak, option C, waterfall, option D, dam. And the answer is option C, waterfall. Question number 66. Where is the shore-based steel plant located? Option A, Tuticorin, option B, Salem, option C, Visakhapatnam, option D, Mangalore. And the answer is option C, Visakhapatnam. Question number 67. Which two of the following are connected by the north-south corridor? Option A, Srinagar and Kanyakumari, option B, Mumbai and Chennai, option C, Amritsar and Kolkata, option D, Hyderabad and Bhopal. And the answer is option A, Srinagar and Kanyakumari. Question number 68. Which of the following statements is correct? Option A, Mahadev Hills are in the west of Maikala Hills. Option B, Mahadev Hills are the part of Karnataka Plateau. Option C, Mahadev Hills are in the east of Chotnagpur Plateau. Option D, Mahadev Hills are the part of Aravalli Ranges. And the answer is option A, Mahadev Hills are in the west of Maikala Hills. Question number 69. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Option A, Hevia tree, Brazil. Option B, Sumatra storm, Malaysia. Option C, Kazan River, Borneo. Option D, Deccan fish, Brazil. And the answer is option D, Deccan fish, Brazil. Question number 70. Which of the following resources is renewable one? Option A, uranium, B, coal, C, timber. Option D, natural gas. And the answer is option C, timber. Question number 71. Soil erosion can be prevented by option A, increasing bird population, option B, afforestation, option C, removal of vegetation, option D, overgrazing. And the answer is option A, increasing bird population. Question number 72. Natural sources of air pollution are option A, forest fires, option B, volcanic eruptions, option C, dust storm, option D, smoke from the burning dry leaves. And the answer is option C, dust storm. Question number 73. The graded profile of a river course is a, and the answer is option D, smooth curve from source to mouth. Question number 74. Sinkhole is a phenomenon of dash topography. Option A, desert, B, tundra, C, karst, D, plain. And the answer is option C, karst. Question number 75. Kerala is famous for the cultivation of option 1, coconut, option 2, black pepper, option 3, rubber, option 4, rice. And the answer is option D, 1, 2 and 3, coconut, black pepper and rubber. Question number 76. The longest continental railway in the world is, and the answer is option A, Trans-Siberian Railway. Question number 77. Which of the following is false with respect to rainwater harvesting? Option A, it helps raising water table. Option B, it helps meet rising water demand. Option C, it increases runoff losses. Option D, it is a device of water conservation. And the answer is option C, it increases runoff losses. Question number 78. Which of the following river does not originate in Indian territory? Option A, Mahanadi, B, Brahmaputra, C, Satluj, D, Ganga. and the answer is option B, Brahmaputra. Question number 79. Which one among the following industries is the maximum consumer of water in India? Option A, textile, B, engineering, C, paper and pulp, option D, thermal power. And the answer is option D, thermal power. Question number 80. Choose the correct option which represents the arrangement of atmospheric layers. And the answer is option A, that is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere and exosphere. Question number 81. Which of the following options correctly explains the term heat budget? Option A. It is the amount of heat which the surface of Earth receives from the sun. Option B. It is the radiation from the Earth in the form of long waves. Option C. It is a mode of transfer of heat through matter by molecular activity. Option D. It is the balance between incoming and outgoing radiation. And the answer is option D. Question number 82. The layer of atmosphere close to the Earth's surface is called option A, exosphere, option B, ionosphere, option C, stratosphere, option D, troposphere. And the answer is option D, troposphere. Question number 83. Which of the following plants shows the chloroplast dimorphism? Option A, sugarcane, option B, sugar beet, option C, rice, option D, wheat. And the answer is option A, sugarcane. Question number 84. Day and night are equal at the option A, prime meridian, option B, poles, option C, equator, option D, Antarctic. And the answer is option C, equator. Question number 85. Evergreen type forests are found in option A, Mediterranean region, option B, monsoon climatic area, option C, desert region, option D, equatorial region. And the answer is option B, monsoon climatic area. Question number 86. The ash grey soils of high latitude coniferous forests are known as option A, grey brown soils, option B, red and yellow soils, option C, tundra soils, option D, podosols. And the answer is option A, grey brown soils. Question number 87. Equinox occurs when the sun is vertically above option A, Tropic of Capricorn, option B, Tropic of Cancer, option C, poles, option D, equator. And the answer is option D, equator. Question number 88. Among the world oceans, which ocean is having the widest continental shelf? Option A, Antarctic Ocean, option B, Arctic Ocean, option C, Indian Ocean, option D, Atlantic Ocean. And the answer is option B, Arctic Ocean. Question number 89. Which is largest peninsular river in India? Option A, Krishna, B, Godavari, C, Kaveri, D, Mahanadi. And the answer is option B, Godavari. Question number 90. Red soil is normally found in India in which regions? Option A, Eastern region only, option B, Southern region only, option C, Eastern and Southern part of the Deccan Plateau, option D, none of these. And the answer is option C, Eastern and Southern part of the Deccan Plateau. Question number 91. Limestone is a raw material used by which industry? Option A, aluminium, option B, fertilizers, option C, cement, option D, petrochemicals. And the answer is option C, cement. Question number 91. Mount Abu is a hill station located in dash ranges. Option A, Vindhya, option B, Satpura, option C, Aravali, option D, Sahyadri. And the answer is option C, Aravali. Question number 92. The only perennial river in peninsular India is dash. Option A, Godavari, B, Kaveri, C, Krishna, D, Bhima. And the answer is option B, Kaveri. Question number 93. When does solar eclipse take place? And the answer is option C, when the moon is between the sun and the earth. Question number 94. Strait of Gibraltar connects which of the following? And the answer is option C, Atlantic Ocean and Mediterranean Sea. Question number 95. The largest solar power plant in India is located at option A, Nagarcoil, option B, Jaisalmer, option C, Madhapur, option D, Rann of Kutch. And the answer is option C, Madhapur. Question number 96. On which river is the Tehri Dam built? Option A Alaknanda, option B Bhagirathi, option C Ganga, option D Hubli. And the answer is option B Bhagirathi. Question number 97. With which country India has the longest international boundary? Option A Nepal, B Pakistan, C China, D Bangladesh. And the answer is option D Bangladesh. Question number 98. Which state in India has the largest coastline? Option A Tamil Nadu, B Andhra Pradesh, C Gujarat, D West Bengal. And the answer is option C Gujarat. Question number 99. Jog Falls in Karnataka is located over which river? Option A Kaveri, option B Godavari, option C Saravati, option D Krishna. And the answer is option C Saravati. Question number 100. Which one of the following areas of India is covered by tropical evergreen forest? Option A semi-arid areas of Gujarat, option B Eastern Ghats, option C Western Ghats, option D Madhya Pradesh. And the answer is option C Western Ghats. Question number 101. Which of the following state is surrounded by Bangladesh from the three sides? Option A Nagaland, option B Assam, option C Arunachal Pradesh, option D Tripura. And the answer is option D Tripura. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.